the people you represent, the organization that you represent, now fears a very real danger to its safety and its person. Why is that? Why is that they have asked for the expulsion of people like Gurpatwant Singh Pannu from the same stable, of course, as Hardeep Nijjar?
Well, that's not exactly correct. We haven't asked for the expulsion of a person. What we've done is we've indicated that some of the comments that were made that Mr. Pannu caused to be circulated online caused some persons in Canada to fear for their safety here in Canada. The comments were hateful. The comments were divisive. The comments were rejected in their entirety by many politicians across the country, and my clients, the Hindu Forum, have requested that the government conduct an investigation to determine whether or not this person would be inadmissible to Canada. We've pointed out in our letter that the kinds of comments that were made may, if they were made in Canada, may have been the subject of a criminal investigation into hate speech. And so that's the thrust
to us as a lawyer, because again and again, when these questions have been put to the Canadian establishment, they said this is protected under free speech. How then are the Hindu Forum calling this hate speech?
We have very, very strong protections for speech in Canada. It is a fundamental freedom, and people are allowed to say things about other people that they don't like. They're allowed to say things that may be challenging to other people's ideals. But when the speech turns into, and this is a very fine line, and only very specific speech qualifies as hate speech. But when that speech turns into hate, and when that speech causes other people to breach the peace, then you might have a criminal offense committed. But I want to stress that that is only the most narrow forms of speech, and this and the kinds of comments that were made online may indeed qualify as that type of speech. I'm not a police officer. I'm a lawyer, and so we are just calling for an investigation to be done. That's all.